Hello everyone, Matthew here at the Altafiber store in Kenwood, unboxing the brand new Sonos Sub Mini. It's a little sister to the subwoofer, which you've seen before. Has some nice packaging here, all the recyclable cardboard, and then we have the actual sub itself. Packaging made it look a little bigger than it is. So this price of this guy is $429. Definitely a step down from the $749 price tag of the actual subwoofer. This is really designed for a Sonos Ray or a Sonos Beam to complement a smaller room. When you have it at lower volume, you won't notice a big difference between this or the subwoofer, which I'll bring up here in a second for a size comparison. But when you get into those larger rooms, or you really want, bass to happen, you really want to go with a subwoofer. This can only be paired singly, so you cannot add two of these to a room as you can the sub. Let me grab the sub here and just show you for a size comparison. Definitely a lot smaller. This one is 14 pounds compared to the 36.3 that the sub is. Like I said, this is definitely designed for a smaller room. October 6th, we will have this in black and white. Again, $429 at any Altafiber store. You can finance it up to 24 months on your bill, interest free. Come check it out and ask someone to give you a demo.